In today's video, we're looking at some of the terminologies that are associated with websites. A website is accessible through a web browser and is identified by a common domain name, for example, www.cadwithmru.com. A website is a collection of interconnected web pages and also content that is multimedia. Web servers are used to host web sites. The internet facilitates access to websites using a Uniform Resource Locator, which is abbreviated URL. An example of a URL is https www.cadwithmrhugh.com/videos/information technology. Web page. A web page is a document on the World Wide Web. This document is a HTML file and any associated files for scripts and images such as graphic. Other web pages are frequently hyperlinked to a HTML file. Web browser. A web browser is a program that enables users to see and research information on the World Wide Web. Microsoft Explorer and Mozilla Firefox are some of the popular browsers that are used to explore information on the World Wide Web. Web server. Computers are used to deliver or serve up web pages on the World Wide Web. After the user makes a request to access a website, the web server receives this request. The requested page is fetched by the server and it is sent to your web browser. HTML. If you want to build websites, you can use HTML to create your web pages. Web pages are built using HTML, and HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. Markup are used to describe the structure of web pages.